The teen accused of beating a man to death in a bout of road rage is headed to prison for decades. Christian Hillman learned today his sentence is between 22 and a half and 100 years in prison. He also heard from the family of the man whose life he took.
Was it worth it? Of course not.
24-hour News 8's Leon Hendricks was in court today. He's live now in studio control with more on what happened there. Leon?
Emily, good afternoon. A stiff sentence for the young Hillman today. The judge could have sentenced him to life in prison for what he's accused of doing here, but actually what he ended up getting sentenced to is worse than that. The teen who bragged about the riches to police investigating the murder he's now convicted of today seemed like most other convicts. Jail orange and shackles. Hillman convicted of killing 64-year-old William McFarland after a road rage confrontation in southern Kent County last fall. McFarland's son spoke about his loss in court today with an emotional tremble in his voice.
I've lost my hunting partner, my father, my fishing partner. Everything I do to this day, the hobbies and everything, he taught me.
Evidence at trial showed that Hillman beat McFarland severely before boasting about what happened. It was enough to make Judge George Quist fashion a sentence worse than life. McFarland was convicted of second-degree murder, which has a maximum sentence of life with the possibility of parole. In that case, he'd automatically be eligible for release after 15 years. But today's sentence makes it so he won't be eligible for 22 and a half years, the minimum sentence, with a maximum of 100 years in the state penitentiary. The assistant prosecutor on the case says he hopes this hits home for the public when it comes to road rage.
I just hope the message is clear that it's just don't pull over, don't fight, just get home safely.
As for Hillman, the teen with the powerful defense team and means he felt worth bragging about.
You can hire anybody you want. It's not going to help your case if you act in a way that he did.
Now, Hillman said nothing when given the chance. His attorney cited the possibility for an appeal as the reason why. As things stand today, Hillman will be about 42 years old before he's eligible to be released on parole. McFarland's family says they were happy with the sentence as it was handed down today. We are live in the control room. Leon Hendricks, 24-hour News 8.